Morning, welcome back everyone. We're gonna start it off today with our favorite Dixie. As you can see, Dixie is on a rampage up, got a nice kick just from overnight, and we're about 105.93, almost at 106. Well, having and it's in the bullish control zone. Having it open up like this and upside, you understand that that means that we might see some downside today in tech stocks, Bitcoin, ETH, etc. Where this closes this week is going to matter for next week. I mean, obviously, look at the weekly; it looks pretty darn tootin' good for upside continuation, and that means downside on certain equities that rely on dollar being cheap. So there's that. Aside from that, if you are believing in the inverse relationship between this and those tech stocks, let's go look at what's going on in those tech stocks. As we are kicking off the upside, here is Bitcoin still fighting with that $71,000 level. When we have an open and close above 71,000, we could look for that $76,500 level. But if we close underneath 71,000 too many more times, you are going to eventually break on down and look for support. First level of support I'm looking for is 65,000 and the second one at 54,000. So just be aware of those levels for next week since today is the close. And today you can see we are looking like a nice bull flag looking for upside continuation with higher lows and a flat top. Hopefully breakout traders are getting excited and ready for this. RSI also looking like it wants to take one more step to the upside, grab some liquidity, and maybe swing fill your pattern back down. So just be aware that as soon as you get those open and closes above 71K, the upside fast move can occur. So just prepare yourself for that, okay? Aside from that, let's go and take a quick look at ETH. ETH. Little bit weaker than Bitcoin because it already went under the RSI midline and it's trying to put in a dead cat right now. Depending on this weekly close, if it closes like this under 0.5, obviously next week might have more continuation to the downside, so be aware of that. Aside from that, on a daily, probably doing the same thing as Bitcoin. Yeah, it does look like it wants to jump up right now. We got 3 drives of bear diversions on top and 2 drives of bullish divergence on bottom with the higher lows. And right now is the time for it to actually bust on up and take out the liquidity. If it fails here, then rolling on over and taking all these wicks out, all the liquidity to the bottom side, while making everyone think it's going to go to the upside, will obviously be the most profitable for the market maker. So be careful if you're trying to just jump into a long as a breakout trader. Here's another example of a bull flag. This is a beautiful bull flag on support, and it's looking like the RSI has reset and wanting to break out to take out that liquidity to the top side. So just be aware that if you close this hourly above 35.27, then I would be looking for the next hourly candle to get into 36.30. And that's as fair of a warning as I can get you. If you stay sideways here and you close underneath 35.30, then I'm going to say the next hourly is going to open and just impulse straight down. And right now, pre-market USA is down to negative 137 points, while we're going sideways and floating up. So one big market seller can impulse down. So just be aware that there's some danger of being extremely bullish right now, looking for that breakout trade. With these lower highs, we can roll on over right here and just impulse down to like 32. So please, please, please be cautious and careful. Everything on RSI is looking for upside, okay? So where the failure will come in, I don't know, but I know that posturing for upside could be a swing failure pattern after we attempt the tap of 36.25. So just be aware of that moving forward. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or concerns, hit me up in the Discord. If you are interested in trading with me live, join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. A quick little thing I can tell you is look at the premium you have on CME. You have about a $400 premium on CME only on Bitcoin, which is really, really weird. So I don't know what to say of that. That means we can dump back down to this level, or Bitcoin can come to this level. Which is the true CME I would go off of before I go off of perps, obviously, but perps have a $400 discount right now, almost 500. Something's up. So just be aware of that moving forward. If you haven't already, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these updates as they come out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Be safe.